Natasha. Today I'm going to tell you about 3 Korean products that are extremely multi-purpose and that can give you a good share of your money that you're going to pay. This is for someone or some people who think that Korean products are quite expensive, or they are not for a particular skin type, or they cannot be used in multiple ways. So today I'm going to talk about these 3 products that you can use in different ways. So the first up product is the aloe vera gel that I swear by. This is an aloe vera gel from Innisfree. It is the Aloe Revital Soothing Gel. And this is a product that is extremely good for people with oily skin. It provides a really good moisturization or hydration since it's very lightweight in consistency and it is watery, just like the original aloe vera gel. And this product retails for 550 rupees. You can find it on Nykaa as well as the original website. What this product can do along with being a moisturizer is it can also serve as a primer. Those who have oily skin and cannot tolerate cream products that can cause you acne immediately. So what you can do is you can use it as a primer, and it serves both as a moisturizer and primer to start up your makeup. So quantity of the product is 300 ml and it can easily last you for 4 to 5 months even if I use it regularly. It has been like 2-3 months already and I still have enough amount to go for 1 or 2 months. Doing my makeup almost regularly or using it as a moisturizer every day. 550 rupees may seem costly at the start, but if you invest in it, you'll know what I'm talking about, and it is worth every penny that you'll be spending on it. I know there are a lot of other aloe vera gels available in the market, some of other brands as well as other Korean brands as well, but I really like this one because I've tried 1 or 2 other brands, but they didn't work out for me the way this does. It really smoothens out the skin. So it is great as a primer, and for the moisturization, I think this is a great deal. Now the next product that I'm going to talk about is a lip tint. Now lip tints are basically just like lipsticks, but they give out a natural finish and they are mostly watery in consistency, unlike our matte lipsticks or creamy lipsticks. So this is for someone who does not like much of a artificial lipstick look, or who are comfortable just using on a daily basis just a natural look. Now I know that lip tints can be used as cheek tints as well as eyeshadow, and I do that as well. But I have recently discovered a new use of this lip tint. I don't know if it is already exist or not, but I use it as a color correcting. Definitely it works for me. So I just use it to cover my dark circles or my dark areas. So basically it does the job of everything, like a color corrector, a blush, a lipstick or a lip stain, as well as an eyeshadow. So I think investing in a lip tint would be a good option and affordable. These lip tints range from 400 to anything above, and I do have another one that is from the Face Shop. This is their watery tint, and this one is from the Etude House. It is their Dear Darling tint. So 400 rupees for a tint is great, I guess, because tints last for a longer time than lipsticks, since a little quantity is required and you just have to smudge it for everyday looks. And just like lipsticks, you can also build up the color range, ranging from a natural tone to a very darker one. As a color corrector, it ranges with its coverage. Since it's not full coverage, so it won't give you full coverage under your eyes if you have really bad dark circles or you have really dark spots. Since I don't have that much of dark circles, it works perfectly for me, so it does not have to work for everybody. And now there can be lip tints available of different companies or for different countries, but I use the Korean ones, so I'm just talking about the Korean ones. You can discover it yourself. If you find a better tint at a more affordable price, then do go for it. so the third and final product that I'm going to talk about are glitter eyeshadows, and this is a Korean one that is by the company Etude House. This is their Mirror Holic eyes, I guess, and this is used mostly in Korea or Korean makeup for doing your under eye bags. They call it aegyosal, and it makes you look cute and sweet, and that is where they put this glitter. This can also be used for doing your eyeshadows. They also use it for that purpose. So these are the two purposes. Now, if you are someone who likes to do matte eyeshadows most of the time, but sometimes you need that pop of glitter, I think so this one is really good, as you can apply it on any of your matte eyeshadows and you can have that pop of color or glitter anytime you want it for any of your festive occasions or any special occasions, and that serves the purpose, and you don't have to invest in another eyeshadows or eyeshadow palette for the glitter and shimmer. Now there's a little bit difference between shimmer and glitter eyeshadows. Shimmers are really fine particles and glitters are a little bit chunky. This is the chunkier one, and this kind of looks glittery instead of shimmery. So if you want to go for a shimmer one, I guess there are a lot of eyeshadows or eyeshadow in the market, but I like this one because it really glitters your eyes and it is so perfect. So if you are someone who does Korean makeup or likes to do the aegyosal, you can use it there, as well as you can use it with any of your eyeshadows. So this is kind of multi-purpose for me. A little on the pricier side, as its original price is 900 rupees, but it is available on Nykaa on offer sometimes. Now I don't know other Korean brands, since this is the only brand that is available in India. You can just discover a lot of brands if they are available, or you can tell me as well if you have found another good glitter eyeshadow on any other website which is more affordable. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you liked. These are products that are going to last you for at least 4 to 5 months if you use them regularly, and they are good for the price range. So these have worked well for me. I hope they do for you, and if they don't, then I guess that's just a personal preference. You can have your. If there are more Korean products or any other products that are multi-purpose and good for the budget that you know, please let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be loving to know more about products that I don't know right now, and I hope that you guys enjoyed and this helps you, and I will see you next time. Bye.